today we are going to make jollof rice with grilled chicken. So this is the preparation for the jollof rice. I've got 4 pieces of raw tomatoes. I've got 2 pieces of hot pepper, and I've got 1 piece of onion and 2 pieces of paprika. So these are the paprika, the 2. So I'm going to chop them into pieces and put them in the blender, blend them. So the first thing now, this is our paste tomato, thick one, the rica, and this is curry, and this is all seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. So, and this is my oil as usual. Yeah. So, and this is my pepper, grinded one. I'm going to pour this in the pot now, just little of the cooking oil. And I'm going to pour the I'm going to add 2 cubes of Maggi, then just little salt to taste. So I'm going to add just 1 spoon of this, full spoon. That's all. I'm going to add the curry, just 1 teaspoon, and all purpose seasoning, just tablespoon. So I'm going to stir it now to mix all the ingredients together and leave it for 20 minutes, roughly 20 minutes. So this is my fried soup now. So I have to wash my rice, long grain rice, 1 kilo. I will have to wash it and pour it into the soup. So this is 1 kilo of long grain rice, which I have to use for my fried jollof rice. I have to pour this now in the plastic bowl. I have to rinse this one now. So I have to rinse it twice. I have to pour my rice now that I've washed. I have to pour it into the stew. It has to be on a low level heating. This is it. After 2 minutes of steaming the rice with the stew, so I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I have Floral Light butter. I have to add a little bit of this. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. So I have to mix this one with it, and I will leave it again for 2 minutes to steam with it. I have to stir it so that it will go in there. Then I will leave it for another 2 minutes. Then I will come back again. So now I have to pour hot water into the rice, jollof rice. So I will steam this one also for maybe 15-20 minutes. I'll check back and see how far it's ready. So I have to mix it together now. So I have to mix it and leave it until the water is dry. I have to cover it now. So this is the outcome of my jollof rice, and I place grilled chicken on it. You can eat it with chicken, grilled chicken, fried chicken, or fried fish, anyone you like. Thank you.